Hello, Matt Farnham here, team leader here at Team Farnham Real Estate. Just a quick snapshot and summary of what I'm feeling every day here in this residential real estate market here in Las Vegas in Henderson. So yes, the market is still shifting. Home prices are still, the downward trajectory that we've been seeing is continuing. I will say though that there are signs of encouragement that the rate that inventory has been climbing is slowing down. It's still climbing. We still see more homes coming to the market each day than coming off the market. However, that difference is a smaller gap than it was a number of weeks ago for consecutive weeks. So we've seen a couple weeks in a row now where it's still a gap, but that gap has minimized, which I think is encouraging. I will also say it's interesting with all my friends across the country that we keep in touch with. We are definitely an outlier with what the market is doing. Many of these markets across the country have seen a slowdown, but they've really just kind of leveled off on home values. Where Vegas is, we always like to be different in Las Vegas, right? Leading the country some way or the other. But the sharp price declines that we've seen in the last couple months are absolutely an outlier compared to the rest of the country. Rents have actually dropped in Vegas as well. And most of the country, rents are still rising. So it is definitely unique here, which means I do not expect this to go on for much longer. The California demand definitely drove our prices up, I think a little bit more inflated than other markets. So we're correcting or shifting back to what's more reasonable for the Las Vegas resident to be able to afford homes. When the data comes out here in early September, we will end up seeing another 4% month-over-month price decline, just tracking what's already closed in August and what's pending, which means a total of about 7% price decline in just 2 months. So that's the real skinny right now, what's going on. Buyers are still on the sidelines, but guys, if you're a home buyer or you know somebody thinking about buying, get off of the sidelines. If you're trying to time the market, by the time you realize that things have flattened out and they're on their way back up, you'll be too late. You'll be competing again possibly and not have the advantage of getting the terms and the outcomes negotiated that you want right now. So keep that in mind. Check out the information below. I hope it's helpful. If you need anything at all, reach out anytime. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks, guys.